back to another video of mine. Today we're walking to the garage. We went and got a lot of supplies for today's video. I'm very excited. Got a lot of wood. We're gonna do some things I've never done before, and those are always my favorite videos to make. So today we're gonna be making some shelves and stuff in here. Let's turn the lights on, hold on. Some shelves and stuff. Matthew's gonna help me.
Hello.
So the idea is that we will build some shelves up here and take up this space. So then I can put like a lot of my extra pieces, such as those fragile side skirts, bumper, kind of put those up there. We might actually have enough room to put some of these trunks, which are just full of extra car parts that I don't really need at this moment in time. So if I can move all that stuff, I'll have a lot more room in here to do cartings. I'm very, very excited for it. So I don't really know how this is gonna work. We have some pictures of how this might work, and that's all that I know. So Matt, will you do me the honors of kind of telling how this is gonna happen?
So we're gonna run a couple stringer boards along the side wall and the front wall there, and then put the piece of plywood on top of those stringer boards, and then run a couple of side boards around to support the front and other side on both sides of the garage rail.
Do you think it's gonna work?
I know it's gonna work.
Okay. So Matt went to go get some things that we'd forgotten. What I'm actually gonna do to start is pull the CRX out because it's gonna be in the way. And then up here, there's actually, I don't know if you can see, there's just like 1,000 spider webs and just dust all collected up here. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all of that stuff out. Make it nice and clean. What's the next step now, Matt?
What?
What do we do now?
Measure.
What are we measuring? That's very high from here. I don't want to come up with.
Measure the distance to here. Make sure that we've got clearance for our
Clearance.
Clearance. Look at that.
Long arms are good for something.
Fucking nailed it. Nice.
So far we have this here, this here, this here. We have this piece of wood here. We're gonna go ahead and test the fit. Oh. That's the door. Yay, it fits though, look at that. Not a single argument. We're gonna have some space. I'm very excited now. This is gonna be fantastic. 10 out of 10, would build again. Very nice. Boop. Perfect, so what's next for up here is that we've cut these plywood pieces, and we're gonna take these, place them up here after we place a board that goes across, make some hangers, and then we'll basically be done. We're gonna be done for the night. I'm so excited. So right now we are basically just screwing this board into the wood, what would you say, studs that we had just created?
Stringers.
Stringers? Like string cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Or strainers? Like I'm so
Stringers.
Oh.
As in that board is strung along the wall.
So the strungers.
No, stringers.
So stringers, like string cheese.
Yes.
Yep. Perfect, so I went ahead and tacked the first one at the corners where it connects to the other stringers that we have made. Around here and here. This was to support it while I was up there calling around tacking them. We just got this bad boy on. Gonna go up, tack it, and then whatever Matthew says is next. What's next after that?
Putting up the front stringer piece and then tacking it up to the ceiling vertically.
Yeah, buddy. I want you all to know that this is my first time making anything out of wood, by the way. So if I can do it, so can you. Guys, I'm pretty sure we're freaking done. Oh yeah, freaking fantastic. I'm so, ow, my shins. Excited for this. Matt, look how amazing it is. This came out so much better than I had expected.
Do you think that it looks exactly like this?
Let me see, wait.
With like the portal with the climbing and the drawings. I don't think it looks like that, but it's pretty good.
This looks freaking awesome. Like I could have like slumber parties in here. Like,
Did you see that sleeping bag?
yeah, like, let's just go camping, guys. I have 2 beds. All right, let's see our first opening to see how the garage door opens to it. Open sesame. Oh, that is so close. Look at that.
Hashtag money.
I'm so excited right now. Oh my god, it fits so nice. And look at that space up there. It'd be perfect for car parts. Like it's so close when it came by. Like here, let's do it again. Like right here, it just gets so close. One more time. Damn. What are you? Are you a carpenter or something?
Yeah.
Are you a builder of sorts? It is. It's like really late, guys, and I gotta clean up and shower and go to bed. But I'm so excited that this is done. Tomorrow I'm gonna be organizing and putting stuff in here. Like I'm so flippin' excited. Thank you so much for helping me and showing me how to build things.
You're welcome.
Ah!
Shelves.
Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I appreciate you guys. And we did something new today. We learned so many things. I built stuff out of wood. And like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.